Boys at the ATM. Amir, where are you? Kirat is calling her 15-year-old son. I am here, mom. What is it? Amir asked his mother. I need a favor. Go to the ATM and get me some money. Sure, mom. Your wish is my command. Amir replied, saluting his mother. Take this debit card and I hope you remember the PIN number. Kirat asked to confirm. Don't worry, mom. I remember the PIN number and know how to use the debit card. Amir says confidently. Amir rushes out of the house like a bullet and within no time he is on the main road. Hi, Amir. Amir turned in the direction where his name is being called. It is his friend Arvind, smiling and walking towards him. Where are you going? Arvind asked. I am going to the ATM to withdraw some money, Amir replied. Can I tag along? Arvind asked. Sure, Amir says happily. Both the friends are now walking past the crowded streets towards the ATM. Did you see the news now? Arvind asked excitedly. No, there was power cut in my area, Amir said. In the news, they showed a man who fell into the enclosure of a white tiger, Arvind said. Really? How did he fall? Amir asked. Nobody knows how he fell, Arvind said. Oh, that must have been really gruesome, Amir said sadly. It was gruesome as well as pathetic. Arvind also becomes emotional. If you visit, I can't understand why people are so irresponsible. See that fool talking on the mobile and riding, Amir says irritatingly. Even some clumsy people cross the road while speaking on the mobile. Why can't these people realize that it can be dangerous? Arvind says, showing his concern. Both the friends race the ATM. Arvind waits outside as Amir steps in. He takes out the debit card, inserts it, and withdraws from the slot. Before he could type the PIN, the whole ATM makes a terrible noise and notes of 1,000 rupees, 500 rupees, and 100 rupees come pouring out of the machine. Amir is dumbstruck. For a few seconds, he does not understand what is happening. Then he realizes that the machine has broken down and all the money has come out. Arvind, come here, Amir shouts. Hearing the shouts of his friend, Arvind opens the door and enters. Seeing all the cash on the floor lying in a heap, he too was surprised. How did this happen? Arvind asked with a puzzled look. I don't know, Amir replied. Can we take the money? There are no CCTV cameras nor the guard, Arvind says jokingly. No, we cannot take this money. It is not ours. Let us call the police, Amir says. I am a bit afraid, Arvind says. Why should we be afraid of anyone? We have not committed any crime nor broken any law, Amir says confidently. Amir takes out his mobile and calls 100. He explains over the phone the situation and waits for the police team to arrive. With no one around, the two guard the money and the entrance to the ATM. The police arrived within no time. In the meantime, the manager of the bank is also called. The money is collected in bags and is taken to the bank. The bank manager and the police inspector praise the duo for their presence of mind and honesty. Both the friends are excited and tell the anecdote to their near and dear ones. 2 days after the incident, the police inspector and the bank manager come to the house of Amir to thanked his parents and informed them that the duo will be felicitated by the Chief Minister of the state. In a function organized by the bank, the Chief Minister felicitated the duo and gave them a cash award of 50,000 rupees each. In his speech, the Chief Minister also praises them for their honesty. This story is inspired by a true incident which took place on 21st September 2014 in Hyderabad. Sheikh Latif Ali, a 22-year-old uneducated, jobless youth, and his two engineering friends, Prasad and Hari, were the central figures of this incident. There were no CCTV cameras nor a guard present at the ATM. Even the police was at its best, and after the phone call arrived at the site in less than 7 minutes. Here we are the first lesson, boys at the ATM. ATM means automated teller machine. ATM means automated teller machine. Here the story is about two boys who go to ATM to withdraw some money. Amir is name of 15-year-old boy. Kirad is his mother. His mother Kirad asked Amir to go to the ATM to withdraw some money for some purpose. So Amir gets ready to go to ATM. So you go to ATM with debit card to withdraw money. To use debit card at the ATM, we have to use PIN number. PIN number means personal identification number. PIN, PIN, personal identification number. ATM means automated teller machine. PIN means personal identification number. Without PIN number, we cannot use ATM. It is like email ID and password. If debit card is email ID, PIN number is the password. Okay. So Kirad asked Amir whether he remembers the PIN number. Amir replies confidently. Amir is telling, yes, I know the PIN number, don't worry. So he gets ready quickly and goes to the ATM. When he was on the way, somebody is calling Amir. Somebody was calling Amir on the way. When Amir turned to look at who is calling him, he found that it was his friend Arvind. Arvind was calling his friend Amir. Okay. Where are you going? Arvind asked. Arvind is asking Amir, where is he going? So Amir replies, he is going to the ATM to withdraw some money. So Arvind asked, can I tag along? Can I tag along? Tag along means, may I come along with you? Or may we go together? So Amir said, yes, sure, no problem, come. So both the friends are walking past the crowded street towards the ATM. So both the friends were going towards the ATM. Who were the friends? Amir and Arvind. So Arvind asked, did you see the news today? But Amir replies, no, there was power cut, so I could not see the news. So Arvind says that in the news they showed a man who fell into the enclosure of a white tiger. Enclosure of a white tiger. That means a cage or a zoo where a tiger is kept. In a zoo, there is a cage where tiger is kept. So Arvind is telling in the news, they showed a man who fell into the cage of a white tiger. Really, how did he fall? Amir asked. So Amir was surprised and he asked Arvind, how did he fall? But Arvind replied, nobody knows how he fell. Arvind replied, nobody knows how he fell. Oh, that must have been really gruesome. Gruesome, Amir says sadly. Amir says sadly that, oh, that must have been really gruesome. What is the meaning of gruesome? Look at page number 4. Gruesome means extremely unpleasant and shocking. Extremely unpleasant and shocking. It was gruesome as well as pathetic. Arvind also becomes emotional. What is pathetic? Pathetic means sad. Pathetic means sad. I can't understand why people are so irresponsible. See that fool talking on the mobile and riding, Amir says irritatingly. That is, Amir and Arvind see somebody talking on the phone and riding vehicle. It is dangerous, correct? Can we ride vehicle and talk using mobile same time? No, it is dangerous, correct? Even some clumsy people cross the road while speaking on the mobile. Not only those people who ride vehicles, even people who walk on the road or cross the road, even they also use the vehicle and use the mobile and cross the road. That is also dangerous, because when we use the mobile and cross the road or ride vehicle, we will lose concentration. So it will give rise to accident. There is a higher possibility of accidents occurring because of using mobile phone while riding or crossing the road. So both the friends reached the ATM. So what is the ATM? Once again, ATM, automated teller machine. Arvind waits outside as Amir steps in. So Arvind was waiting outside the ATM and Amir went inside the ATM to withdraw money using debit card and entering the PIN number. What is PIN number? Personal identification number. So when Arvind was waiting outside, Amir goes inside the ATM cabin and he takes out the debit card, inserts it and withdraws from the slot. Before he could type the PIN, the old ATM makes a terrible noise and notes of several values came pouring out of the machine. Before Amir could enter the PIN number after inserting the debit card, the ATM machine all of a sudden threw out all the money that was inside that machine outside, even without entering the PIN number. So Amir was dumbstruck. Dumbstruck means he was shocked. He did not know what to do. Then he realized that the machine has broken down and all the money has come out. Then Amir understood that there is some problem with the machine. There is a major problem with the machine. The machine is not working correctly. So Amir called his friend. Arvind, come here, Amir shouts. So hearing the shouts of his friend, Arvind opens the door and enters the ATM cabin. Seeing all the cash on the floor lying in a heap, he too was surprised. How did this happen? Arvind asked with a puzzled look. I don't know, Amir replied. Can we take the money? There are no CCTV camera nor the guard, Arvind says jokingly. So even Arvind was shocked to look at the money, lots of money outside the ATM machine. Since there are no security guard or CCTV camera, so Arvind says jokingly, can we say take the money? CCTV camera, that is the security camera. If you go to any ATM or bank, you can find the security camera. No, we can't take this money. It is not ours. Let's call the police, Amir says. Although Arvind said jokingly, can you take the money? Amir was still in shock and he replied, no, let us call the police. But then Amir said, I am afraid. Then Arvind said, I am a bit afraid. Then Amir replied, why should we be afraid of anyone? We have not committed any crime nor broken any law, Amir says confidently. Amir takes out his mobile and calls 100. That is the emergency number to call the police. The number is 100. So from anywhere we can call 100 in India. So we can reach the police control room. So Amir takes out his mobile and calls 100. He explains over the phone the situation and waits for the police team to arrive. Then Amir informs the police control room about the problem that ATM machine was having. So the police arrived within no time. In the meantime, the manager of the bank is also called. The police came soon. After the police and the manager of the bank came, the money is collected in banks and taken to the money is collected in bags and taken to the bank. The bank manager and the police inspector praised the duo for their presence of mind and honesty. That is, the ATM is under a bank and the bank manager of that bank and the police inspector praised the duo. Duo means both of them. Who are the both of them? Amir and Arvind. For their presence of mind and honesty. What is presence of mind and honesty? When they understood that the ATM machine is corrupt, that the ATM machine was not working correctly and all the money came out even before PIN number could be entered, Amir and Arvind called the police and they informed the bank manager and they helped to save the money from being stolen by others. So both the friends are excited and tell the anecdote to their dear and near ones. So anecdote means a short story about a real incident. Anecdote, a short story about a real incident. So 2 days after the incident, the police inspector and the bank manager come to the house of Amir to thank his parents and inform them that the duo will be felicitated by the chief minister of the state. That is, after that incident, police inspector and the bank manager go to the house of Amir and inform his parents that the chief minister of the state will felicitate. So felicitate means to compliment upon a happy event. Why? Because Amir and Arvind helped the bank from their money being stolen. Okay, so they call the police control room to complain about the ATM machine. In a function organized by the bank, the chief minister felicitates the duo and gives them a cash award of 50,000 rupees each. That is, the chief minister of the state, appreciating their presence of mind and honesty, present them each 50,000 rupees. That is, Amir gets 50,000 and Arvind also gets 50,000. In his speech, the chief minister also praises them for their honesty. So, what are the values we learn? The values we learn from the lesson is we have to obey parents. We have to be responsible. We should have presence of mind, and we should have courage. Okay. So, hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you.